lovies. So I'm just kind of opening the house up, getting my day started. It is supposed to be almost 70 today, which is fabulous, but it's supposed to pour. It's supposed to rain all day long today. So that kind of puts a damper on going out, even though I would love to go out in 70-degree weather. But it's raining. It's raining right now. So I might work in the house a little longer today and get some Zupa on, because on days where it rains like this, soup just sounds delicious. And don't mind my hair, because my hair is growing in, and because it's growing in, it's a little crazy. It's a little crazy. I got my video going. Let me put you guys down so I don't make you sick. Hold on. There we go. So, whew. Yeah, see, my hair's a little crazy. I'm wearing ball caps. I got my video for my second channel is 98% loaded, so that'll be up soon. And I've been working. Ooh, like, what is that? My hair's a little crazy, guys. If I can get that to... There we go. I've been working on coloring pages when it rains, and I'm stuck inside. So this is what I'm working on right now. It's pretty. That's my pastime. If I'm sitting at my desk for pastime, I'm either in the Word of God reading, I'm coloring, or I'm working on my junk journals. That's my pastime on days where I'm not getting outside as much as I would like. And right now, because we're in March, I know that that's, a big probability, but I'm not. I get upset because it's raining and I want to go outside, but at the same time, I'm not too upset because I know it's March, and when it rains like this means the next time I go on a hike, everything will be green, and I might see some flowers, and I can't wait till the lush green is just sprouting everywhere, and everything doesn't look so dead. So even though the rain makes you feel lazy and like you don't want to do anything, and you're kind of stuck in the house, this time of the year, I don't mind the rain that much because I know it's bringing the world back to life. So I'm going to get this video going up, get a thumbnail made, and then what I really need to do today, and I keep putting off, but today would probably be a great day to do it, is my bookshelves in my living room have about this much dust on them, no lie. I hate dusting them things. But I think the reason why I hate dusting them is because I don't like the way they're set up. So what I should do is just take this time, because it's raining, take everything off, clean everything, dust all the bookshelves, and put everything back up in a different way. So that might be what we do today, and get some soup on. Hello, lovies. So it is a new day from the last little portion that I filmed. A lot happened that day. Crazy stuff, like my daughter's phone broke. We spent the whole day trying to get it fixed, going off like it's nuts. So today is not Saturday, because that particular day I did not get to do what I wanted to do because life happened, stuff happened. So it's not Saturday. And It is pouring raining again. You guys can probably hear the wipers. Rain. But it's March, and that's what March does, right? Because if you get lots of rain in March, then April, everything's green and have lots of flowers, and it's beautiful. So that's the way I'm looking at it, because it's doing a lot of raining. So I'm on my way right now, because it is Saturday, to go pick up our groceries. I usually have them delivered through Instacart, but I don't do the Instacart, where you pay for the year. I think it's $100 or something like that. So they're charging us ridiculous amounts of money to have it delivered. Not only do they charge you the $7.99 delivery fee, but then they charge you $8.99 handling fee. And then if you have like more than one kind of drink that you have to carry that doesn't go in a bag, they charge you like $5.99 heavy lifting fee is what they call it. So by the time we get our groceries, let's say we ordered $150 worth of groceries. By the time it's delivered, it's almost $200. Well, no, that's a little much. That's saying it's like $50. It's like $180 or something like that, because there's almost like $25, $30 in fees that they add to have it delivered. So I just go and pick it up now, and I don't mind because I have my car. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go pick up my groceries, and then I have a few errands to run while I'm out. While I'm gone, because it is Saturday, my husband and my daughter's home, I asked my hubby if he would get the house vacuumed and if he would vacuum the stairs, because the stairs are hard for me. I don't use the stick vacuum. I use our upright vacuum, and that vacuum is a little hard to get up and down the steps. So he's going to do that for me, and then as long as he hasn't completely taken over the living room and watching all of his crazy shows that he watches, I'm going to try to get the bookcases done today. Like I said, I really want to get them, I want to take everything off and dust them really good, and then put everything back in a different manner, just so that it looks a little different. And I did never make, oh, here comes the big ambulance. Pull over. Okay. I never did make the Zuppa, and today is such a good day for the Zuppa. It is actually pretty cold, and it's pouring, as you guys can probably hear. So I want to get the Zuppa on. So that is my plans for today, is doing groceries, running errands, trying to get the house semi clean, and making some Zuppa, because all it does is rain. And tomorrow, Sunday, is supposed to be our only like really nice day. It's supposed to be almost 65 and sunny. And then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we're back into the same thing where it only is like 47 and pouring down rain. But I know many people, like, we're getting, like, you guys can probably hear it now. We're getting a lot of rain. Other people are getting a ton of snow. So I'm not going to complain, because I would much rather have rain than snow. And I know the rain is going to make everything green and grown. So I guess when I go home, I'll do an ALDI haul and hopefully get the bookcases going. It's really starting to rain now, so if it's really loud, I apologize. And get the Zuppa on. So let's get this day going. Okay, I'm home in that crappy old weather. So we thought it'd be fun for Savanna to do the grocery haul today. So she's going to do the grocery haul. And look at my hair. You know, I want my hair to grow back in, but it's a little cray. So we're going to do Savanna doing the grocery haul.
Those out. We have strawberries already in the fridge.
What's on top of the Cokes? Show them. Pick it up. You can do this. Pick it up.
Cheese.
Tortellini. Tortellini. Let me see. I'm going to make pasta salad. I'm going to make pasta salad with these. Okay. So what else we got?
Milk.
Take it out. Show them. Milk.
Two of these, which are
Let me see.
strawberry kiwi.
These are your favorites, right? right. Lettuce.
Blueberries.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, this is the tri-pack. This is the best. Blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. I got strawberries to cut up. We got lunch meat. What else did we get?
Bologna.
I got bologna. Let me see the bologna.
Bologna.
Bologna for eggs and bologna sandwiches. And we got asparagus for one of our dinners.
The other.
All right, start putting some of this away. You're doing good.
Already open.
It might have got wet because it's really raining. Oh, this is new. Oh, wow, that does look like it's really open. It might just be like that because it's wet. But show them. This is new. I got the cheese stuffed crust 3-meat pizza.
Did I do that for lunch?
No, this is for dinner one night. This is for dinner.
Whipping cream.
Okay, that's for one of our desserts that we're gonna make. And then we were hungry for ice cream, so we're gonna try these. This is chocolate peanut butter super premium ice cream.
Brownie and cookie dough.
Okay, brownie and cookie dough. What's that?
Raw stuffed chicken, broccoli and cheese, breaded chicken breast with rib meat patty.
Okay, turn around so they can see. Okay, I got that for one of our lunches.
Only one.
And then your dad's ice cream sandwiches. Well, that's freezer. You're doing good. All right, what's in the next bag?
Sun chips.
Your sun chips.
Tortilla chips.
Big dippers.
Pasta sauce.
You have to show them what kind. Got the 4 cheese.
Black
olives for salad.
Beans.
No, that's a chili with no beans. I love this chili.
Chicken
And then, of course, I got like 3 or 4 cans of chicken because that's what we're going to have for lunch today. Chickpeas. And your dad's pear slices.
Oh, I said peas.
No, they're pears.
More big beans.
No, that's chili. That's not big beans. It's chili with no beans. Pineapple chunks. I'm going to make a really yummy dessert.
Chickpea, my favorite.
Chickpeas.
Heavy cocktails.
It's cocktail. That's for dessert.
Chicken can.
There's another chicken can for lunch.
And more apple slices.
No, they're pear slices. They're daddy's. Yeah, what do you got next?
Ripples, plain chips.
Got chips for chicken sandwiches.
Mom's vanilla pudding.
That is for our dessert. It's a delicious.
Black bread.
No, black bread.
Flat.
Rye bread.
I say flat because they're flat.
They're flat.
Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops. Show them, baby. Okay.
Sugar.
And sugar. Turn that the other way, baby, so don't spill. Turn it the other way. There you go.
Hot dog buns.
No. What is that?
Hamburger.
A hamburger. Put them in the basket.
Like hot dogs.
Put them in the basket. Okay, come get this last bag. That's one of my lunches. You can put that on the door.
Oops.
That goes over here with the bread. Good girl.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Ooh.
Dad's protein bar.
Show them. That's a fruit bar.
Ooh.
Oh, Mama got your favorite. Show them what your favorite is. Chewy dipped peanut butter granola bars.
And bananas.
And bananas.
Mayo. Pasta.
And spaghetti, because we're going to have spaghetti and meatballs this week. Is that it? All right. Give me 5. You did a good job. Woohoo! Savanna did the grocery haul.